Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and do our first larger mod. We're going to try to put a little horsepower into this puppy. We're going to go ahead and gut the cat, take all this exhaust off all the way back here, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this off, see if I can get in there and see if we can open that up too. So stick around. Down there, not that bad. There is a bump in there. Where'd it go? Right here, like a weld. I don't know if you can see it. I know how you can see it. How about like that? That'll help. Right there. We'll go ahead and clean all that up. I don't know if I have the right tool. If not, I'll go pick one up real quick. Alright, let's take a look. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the exhaust port, which I was told is pretty important. Here we go. I don't really see any real problem. I mean, I don't really know how to. There we go. Not too shabby. It doesn't feel bad. It's pretty smooth actually. Huh. We'll look at it further. Well guys, this is what we've got. So I cut, the first cover off right here. I think it goes something like that, maybe like this, who knows. I can straighten it out. And boom, under there, had another one, so I cut around it, and right there, she is. I don't know, maybe a little bit of restriction. Try to get some light on this subject. Yeah, here, how about boom, turn that up. There we go. Yeah, that's a cat, all right. Big old winding. But now I've got an open pipe, but I got to do a lot of cleaning. I got to cut out the excess, reform this a little bit. Pretty easy matchup. I'll have to straighten it up, and then I will take to a muffler shop and see what they charge me to zip it back together. And I did it on the back side here, so it'd lay good on the table for the guy, and also I would have these mounts for my little guard for my leg. Well, let me go ahead and clean this up, and we'll show you what we got later. Okay guys, went ahead and cleared all that out. That's the best I'm going to do. I'm just going to have that welded on there like that, and go hit it with some high heat paint when I get back. Had to change, didn't want to show up there looking all gross, and swing by Harbor Freight and get a few other tools. I'll see you when I get back. Hey everybody. Okay, so I got back from the shop where I had the exhaust welded back up. Now we're going to go ahead and work on this back end, take it apart and see what we can find inside here. So it's really hot in the garage, so I decided to bring it inside. Let's get started. Eureka! Wow. So, looks to be sealed. Well, that's trouble. That's a mess. I was hoping it would just slide out, but no, it's sealed. Maybe I can just do what everybody else does, and that's just ram it through and open that up that way. Get crap flowing that way and put this cover back on. Man, disappointing. That'll give me something. Went ahead and had it, paid the guy 20 bucks to weld it up. He checked it. Supposedly it's good to go. And I did it on the back side, so when it's mounted like that, I'll be able to put that piece there and you'll never see it. New paint. Doesn't look too bad. You can kind of see it up in there. Of course, it's smoking its butt off. Wow. Catalytic. Nothing really new back there. Go ahead and cover it up. Get everything back buttoned and take it for a ride. Here we go. The gas is on. morning, little lady. Let's go ahead and find neutral. So she seems to be running good. I didn't do anything to the carburetor at all. All I did was remove this massive hunk of crap. Wow. I thought I was going to have problems with it running. I haven't done anything, like I said, to the carburetor. And she seems to be doing just fine. You know, I'm sure she could be tuned out a little better. Got me some new stickers for you guys. Hope you like that. Project Next. Urbexen. Well, Urbex. Alright. What do I think about it? I think I'm not sure. I'm gonna ride it a little bit. I like that it looks factory, even though the cat's cut. I mean, I would have loved to have done more to the back muffler here. I didn't do anything to it really other than knock a bigger hole through it. I might get the aftermarket exhaust. See if that opens it up more. But until then, thanks for watching.